Unfortunately, boat work is not always the priority. I have thought through all the different projects that are left of this total refit of a Westsail 32. I'm super motivated. But despite that, business as usual has to keep going. The farm takes over priority, especially here in the springtime. But we are done with the bottom of the hull. All the repairs, the fiberglass patching, closing the through holes, fairing, getting everything ready to paint. It's all done, so subscribe, follow along, check back in with us next time as we restore this classic blue water boat.